Hi, today we're going to make flowers in the grass. It is spring out there and hopefully we'll start to see some flowers. So what we're going to do first is take a plain piece of white paper. I did put it on some cardboard just to make it a little bit sturdier for what we're going to do. Next, we're going to have a little bit of water. And I'm going to take green because that's the color of grass. Green food coloring. Put a few drops in my water. And stir it. Please make sure you're covering your surface. Food coloring can stain, so we want to make sure that we're covering our surface and maybe wearing an apron or a smock or something. Then I'm going to take an eyedropper, and you could do this over the sink or over an old towel maybe. I'm going to do it over some paper towels just to show you what we're going to do. So I'm going to squeeze the eyedropper and get some of my liquid paint, and I'm just going to make little drops down like this to make blades of grass all the way across. And I can have as many as I'd like, or maybe I don't want as many blades of grass. I think I'm going to like a lot of grass though. And then we're just going to set this to the side to dry. It doesn't take very long to dry, but we're going to set it to the side to dry. And when it's all dry, I have one that I've done ahead of time that's dry. I'm going to take cupcake papers, cupcake liners. And what I did was I took my safety scissors and I just trimmed a little bit around each one. And I didn't have really pretty colorful ones. So I used my crayons to color inside and make it look like the center of the flower and some seeds. And I made some petals on the outside. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take my glue stick and I'm going to put I made 3 flowers. So I'm going to put 3 dabs of glue on there. I'm going to take my flowers and I'm going to press them on the glue. And now I have my flowers in the grass. Really simple, but lots of fun. And you could do this with any color. You could make rain out of blue. You could make a rainbow this way. So you could do lots of different things with just water and some food coloring. Have fun.